Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be installing an OEM Nissan hood deflector on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Now a hood deflector like this does prevent rock chips on your hood when you're driving on the highway or if the vehicle in front of you is kicking up a lot of rock and debris. But besides the added protection, I also do like the look of this hood deflector on this Rogue. I think it gives it a bit more of a sporty look. I'll show you step by step on how to install this, and I'll also include the link to where you can buy this in the description below. So let's get started. Inside this box is a Nissan hood deflector for this 2023 Nissan Rogue. This hood deflector is an OEM part number F5860-6RR0A. And this deflector is made specifically for this generation of Nissan Rogue. Here's a look at the deflector. As you can see, it does say Rogue on the right side here. It also comes with the mounting hardware and screws, and also some protective tape that you'll need to install. Now, it does not come with the installation guide. You do have to go online and download the installation guide. First thing you want to do is clean the front edge of the hood with rubbing alcohol. That's what I have in this bottle. Also clean the edge underneath. Put a piece of masking tape in the middle of the grill. Then mark the center. Next, attach a piece of masking tape onto the hood. Line up the center mark with the center of the hood. Next, open the hood. Along this rubber edge, there are 4 clips you need to remove. One over here, next one over here, and same thing for the other side. Here's a look at one of these clips. Pull back on this rubber trim and take this bracket and carefully place this over the front edge of the hood and position it so the hole will line up with the square opening. Now place a piece of masking tape 5mm to the left of this metal bracket and wrap this tape over the hood. Now remove the bracket and install this 3M protective film to the right of this masking tape. Remove the backing and then carefully place this on the leading edge and fold this over. Now you can remove the masking tape. Repeat the same thing on the passenger side. So this one is the passenger side. Back on the driver's side, this second clip that we removed, use a ruler and measure 15mm from the outside edge of that hole, and then put a piece of masking tape at the 15mm mark. Now install this piece of protective film onto this side of the hood. Now you remove the masking tape. On the passenger side, same thing. Measure 15mm from the outside edge of that hole and then put a piece of masking tape on it. Now install the protective film. For the 2 holes that's closest to the center of the hood, install this plastic clip that you see right here. Same thing for the other side. Now place this metal clip over the protective film and line up the square hole with the new plug that we installed right here. Next, install this Phillips screw over the weather strip right here. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, install this Phillips screw with this metal washer in front of the weather stripping. Right now you're looking at the bottom side of the hood deflector, In the middle, there is a notch cutout that you see right here. This is the center of the hood deflector. What you want to do is put a piece of masking tape in the middle right here and then wrap this around to the top. So now we know the center of the hood deflector. Now you can attach this metal clip onto the bottom edge of the hood deflector. Install the other clip. On the bottom side of the deflector, you have a double-sided tape, and this pull tab, and this red pull tab you see here, just pull this back and fold it over. You don't want to remove the whole thing, okay? Just pull back maybe about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and then fold this over. Line up the center mark on the deflector with the center mark of the grill, and insert the bottom edge of the deflector into the metal clip. Here's a close-up look of the deflector right now. Right here is the outside clip. Moving along. Right here is the inside clip. The center mark is lined up with the grill. Here's the other clip. And over here is the outside clip. Once everything's lined up, you can pull back the backing on double-sided tape and then stick this down onto the hood. Check one more time, make sure the deflector is pushed up all the way. Now remove the backing on double-sided tape. Going from one side to the other. You want to apply pressure along the entire edge for at least 1 minute. Go ahead and wipe this down. Get all the fingerprint off. Don't forget to close the hood. And here's what the hood deflector looks like after it's installed. And that's how you install the Nissan OEM hood deflector on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. If you're interested in getting this for your Nissan Rogue, check out the link in the video description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.